Here we have an indefinite integral, and I'll rewrite it a little bit first. We have a difference of functions here, the indefinite integral of a difference of functions, and we also have a y to the 1/4 in the denominator, so we're going to change that to a y to the negative 1/4 in the numerator. So we can break this up, and I'm going to bring that 2 out in front of the integral symbol. So we have 2 times 1 over the square root of 1 minus y squared, and that's going to be dy, and then minus the indefinite integral of y to the negative 1/4 dy. You can use this formula down here for this first part, but really you should just ask yourself, you know, the constant is going to stay there, but what function's derivative is 1 over the square root of 1 minus y squared, and if you know your derivative formulas, you would know that that's the inverse sine of y, because the derivative of the inverse sine of y is 1 over square root of 1 minus y squared. So you can use these formulas, or you can just I think most of them in this section you can pretty much do by saying what is the except for maybe the power rule for any differentiation might come into handy, but for the most parts with these trig and inverse trig functions, logarithms and exponentials, you can just use your knowledge of derivatives to find the antiderivative. So anyway, moving right along, we have minus, we'll use this power rule. We'll say y up by a power of 1, so negative 1/4 plus 1 is like negative 1/4 plus 4 over 4, which is positive 3 over 4, and then we'll put it over that new power, which is 3 over 4, and then plus the all-important arbitrary constant. So we'll just rewrite that a little bit. 2 times the inverse sine of y minus multiply by the reciprocal, so we have 4/3 y to the 3/4 plus c, and that's it.